back at the studio. Finally got my lens back. My nigga True Banger, were you here when we started this? Alright, so let me tell you the get down. My boy Renato pulled up, started this right here, left it like that. But y'all already know my nigga Renato, bro. That nigga never comes back, nigga. He left fucking hella holes in my shit. Didn't even finish the job. Nah, he be busy and shit, but I need to knock this shit down so we can keep working on some motherfucking music. So, big Pantera OG game pulled through. You getting down on what, Pantera?
Hell yeah.
And he got a different method. This nigga is poking the holes first, then putting it through. That nigga Renato was poking a hole, then putting one through. Poking a hole, then putting one through. So, shit. What do you think, sweet? Chaga. Okay. Damn, so it's only been like a cool little hour, maybe an hour and a half, and Pantera almost done with it though. Look, this one was already there, but he got this one down, he got this one down, and he got this one down. What are you thinking? Huh? It's coming out cool?
Yeah. Okay. There you go. Got it. Okay.
Damn, he's doing his thing though. Shut up, Pantera, getting down. Big Grandpa, looking like Medusa up in this bitch. And the last one, Bubba.
A few moments later.
Oh shit, Arizona, look. Shout out, who? Huh? Who?
Yvette.
Bye! You straight? I think I'm gonna get like this one. Look.
You like this one?
Look. You straight?
It's coming soon, Yvette.
Yvette, on the way, Arizona. Thank you for fucking with me. Thank you.
Sure, he told me not to record him. He said he's
Now we having red sex, yeah, I'm done, bossed up, smoking on this cake like a fucking roster. Yeah, suicide, if you ever try to let go, I'm sad, yeah, I'm
Está good, huh?
Aquí, güey, los de Puerto Boys.
Okay. I'm about to get done right now. Throw some fat pastilla on this one. The Jamaican things.
I'm gonna get there, todo set up. Yeah, most likely, yeah. Alright, yeah, that way.
So do you guys want to see Muddy Kid with the beard? He's letting it grow.
Hell no, I'm about to cut that shit off. Pretty. I'm looking like who?
Just let it grow out.
Hell no, Cuddy.
All your fans are gonna be like, let it grow out.
Alright then, pretty. I'm cool.
I'm cool off you. What are you up to?
I'm on Diego mode, nigga. You know.
The bloated pack.
That nigga eats that shit, he's gonna be bloated. Why we even get off for?
This is the bloated pack. Okay, what's going on here, brother?
So we right here, touch back down right here with my big grandpa. So grandpa's damn near done with the process. We just gotta finish this last one right now. He's gonna knock it down and cut them up and
Get ready to go.
it's a wrap. Say hello, Pantera. Last one down, brother.
That's the last one.
Stars in the ceiling.
Tomorrow morning we come and start cutting shit up. And now,
Para que se vea bien.
ooh, he's tripping,
Ya
Javi.
quiere hacerlas bien cortitas todas hasta arriba pegadas.
Ooh.
Nah.
Damn.
You're looking ugly.
Looking bad? Say it's looking bad, Grandpa.
It's looking bad right now.
The next day.
Okay, so we touched back down right here to the studio, top of the morning. Look who's back though! Yee! Pinky's all holes down. He came back to finish off the job. Let me see though.
There you go.
Damn, jail style?
Jail style. Jail style.
Okay, so pretty much done. All we gotta do is what, Renato?
Man, gonna hook
Look.
it up there instead of down here.
My nigga doing it jail style, so he gotta switch it up and pick it up there. And then cut these off, and then it should be Enzo.
Pinkies up, hoes down. We ain't finna hundreds. Not finna hundreds. Pero no llego nada con eso de aquí adentro.
I'm gonna hook it up to one of these breakers or something.
Damn. You think, Javi?
Because if not, you have another breaker? Nah. Alright, if I get shocked, I got shocked.
For real? Oh my god. What you mean? Hey bro, look at my old camera setup I used to have. This is hella heavy. Feel me? We upgraded quality and setup. But look at this big ass tripod. Oh hell no.
This one, the one that got the big ass hole right here, though. You know, right?
That shit's all blown? Like these Stockton girls?
I didn't know what. No matter what.
So you already did the electrocuted part or not yet?
No, not yet. Ready taking this apart if I can fix it up down here.
For all my electricians out there, I just seen him put these wires I'm scared to touch right here. But like, how do you know what to what, bro? Do you know what to do? Hell no. How does this nigga know what to do? That's my question. Does he? Or he's just trying to figure it out? So I can see the black. Alright, so he probably puts the black right there. Bam. But where's the red, my boy?
Alright, the black one with the black one.
Huh?
All these connected right there, the red and the black, those are these right here. But they always use 3 wires on a commercial place because they don't want to use only 2. If you can plug in 2 of them, more power for the lights and everything. But like she said, we say.
Huh?
Like she said, we say. That's schooling right now. Can't do that. Unless it's gonna be a little donation to my Cash App or something.
Yeah, what's your Cash App? At least a little tip for that advice right there. Anything will do, for real.
Okay, real something.
Let me see.
Okay, Cash App is a Bundis Renato.
Make my man's day and send him a Cash App.
Man, we can't be recording this, man. They're gonna get me. I'm telling you, this is like $75 or to $125 an hour.
I'm cool.
Alright, here we go, right there.
Pinkies up, hoes down, we ain't finna 100.
Pinkies up, hoes
Hey,
down,
he said
we ain't
100.
finna 100.
He said 160 an hour. Fuck, good thing my nigga only did it in 20 minutes.
You know.
He boy. So where's the switch?
Nope. Nope. I'll see you guys later.
Hey, come check it out. Come check it out over here, though. Let me see. It's off again.
Yes, I know.
Sheesh. Damn. So Javi's cutting him off right now. And that's how it's looking, though. Look. Damn, Cuddy. Huh? Damn, brother. Your arm already hurts, and all he's doing is fucking cutting them.
My arm already hurts, fool.
My nigga Renato finished the whole job, and look, he left his phone up there and shit.
What do you have, baby girl? Oh shit. Where is she at? Oh, there she goes. No, sorry about that.
So I'm right here helping the process. Then you're just cutting a little shorter, and then Javi fixes them so they can be perfect. So I'm just doing the little fake cuts, the little pre-cuts.